Hello, mathematicians. Today I am going to review how to subtract mixed numbers using models. So let's say I have 3 and 1/5, and I want to take away 1 and 3/5. When I subtract, I have a total amount of something, and I'm taking the other piece away. When we add, we're putting pieces together. When we subtract, we're taking them away. So I only need to model my total right now that I have, which is 3 and 1/5. So I'm going to start by drawing my 3 wholes. Remember, when you have a big number like that in your mixed number, that means it's a whole, and that means that the whole entire thing is shaded in. Your denominator, your 3 and 1/5, tells you that in that whole, you have 5 equal pieces. So here's 1 whole of fifths, so I have 5/5 shaded in. Here's another whole. And again, I have my 5/5 shaded in because it's a whole. Here's my third whole, so this means that's my third model that's going to be completely shaded in. And then I have one model that only has 1/5 shaded in. So I have 3 wholes, and I have 1/5. Now, what I need to do is I need to take away my 1 and 3/5. So this I am taking away from my 3 and 1/5. And I can do that just by crossing off. Let's start with our wholes. I'm crossing off 1 whole. So I can take this whole thing right here and cross it off. It's gone. That's a whole because it's all shaded in. Then I'm going to cross off 3/5. Now that I'm looking at 3/5, I'm looking at my pieces, my fifths, not my wholes. So I'm going to start here because this one isn't completely shaded in, and I'm going to take away 3/5 or 3 of my pieces. Remember, you're only taking away pieces that are shaded in because that's what we have. So I'm going to take away 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. Now all I need to do is label what I have left. I can see right here that I have 1 whole, and over here I have 1, 2, 3/5 left. So my answer for 3 and 1/5 minus 1 and 3/5 is 1 whole and 3/5.